So hey guys, you know I don't have this car anymore, but I just want to do a quick video about something that affects the engine or could affect the engine on these Honda Pilots. Just came out a couple days ago. Has to do with the famous idle stop. I guess they're saying it affects 2016 to 2020 Honda Pilots, and they're starting to investigate them. I guess what happens is when it shuts the engine off, sometimes it won't restart. And there's been some cases already where they had to actually jump the battery in order to get it started again. So they're investigating this right now, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, to determine if it's a huge issue and it warrants a recall being issued. So, and it's interesting too, they're saying that the vehicles affected are the vehicles with the same powertrain. So that's the 3.5 liter V6 with the 9-speed transmission is what they, I guess, narrowed it down to. So that's going to include the Honda Pilot, a few years ago, the Acura TLX, Acura MDX, and Honda Odyssey. But it has to do with the 3.5 liter and the 9-speed transmission. I don't know if they use different systems in there, but those are the cars that could also be affected. So I just want to share that with you. If you haven't heard about it, I heard a lot of people saying they had issues with it, being rough when you take off and all that kind of stuff. I don't particularly like it on my vehicles. I feel like there's certain times where it just shuts off all the time, and it's kind of irritating when it kicks on and off, and it is kind of rough. I've noticed the MDX, it's a little smoother than the TLX. So I don't know if that has to do with the engine size and all that stuff, but my TLX, a lot of times I just keep the temperature on low, and when you have it on low, it'll never come on, just so I don't have to keep on pushing the button to turn it off every single time. But again, just some info for you guys. If you're having issues with it, definitely stay tuned. They said Honda's cooperating with the NHTSA through the investigation process. And they said what's coming next is they'll determine how big a problem this is, and Honda may choose to start a recall on this. So I just want to share that with you so you can keep your eyes open on the internet. I would say give it a few months and see if anything pops up if there's a recall on them. So it's interesting, like I say, because a lot of people have said they had issues with it, where sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, all that kind of stuff. To me, it just seems like it's not worth it. Like, it's not going to save a lot of gas for it constantly turning on and off. Seems like it's a lot of moving parts, if you're especially in stop and go traffic, to keep on turning on and off. So again, let me know if you guys are having issues with it. I'd like to know if you had any problems where it doesn't start. I'm curious about it. Like, I didn't know that actually happened to cars, but they said there's been multiple accounts already where they had to jump the car to get it started after it shut itself off. So definitely not a perfect system by any means, but that right there can be frustrating if it leaves you stranded. So again, touch bases, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have had this happen, or you know somebody that has, curious to find out. And like I said, just keep watching for new information on it, because there might be a recall coming up. So I appreciate it, guys. Just some info on this video. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. I appreciate all your loyal support. I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.